Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link Deco BE25 Wi-Fi Mesh Network Wi-Fi 7 Dual Band. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the TP-Link Deco BE25 is a Wi-Fi 7 dual band mesh router that provides fast, seamless Wi-Fi coverage across your home using multiple Deco units. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Open the Google Play Store, Android, or Apple App Store, iPhone/iPad. Search for TP-Link Deco. Tap Install and wait for it to finish downloading. Open the app and log in or create a TP-Link ID by tapping Sign Up. Now you will connect the main Deco to your modem. Take one Deco BE25 unit. Connect the Ethernet cable from the modem to the Deco Ethernet port. Plug the power adapter into the Deco. Turn on the modem again. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the Deco LED starts blinking blue. Blue blinking light means the device is ready for setup. Open the TP-Link Deco app on your phone. Tap Let's Begin or the plus symbol at the top. Select Deco model. Choose Deco B Series Deco BE25. The app will guide you through the setup. The app will ask about the LED light. Check your Deco device. Make sure the LED is blinking blue. Tap LED is blinking blue in the app. If the LED is not blinking blue, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. The app will automatically detect your connection type. First is dynamic IP, most common. Just tap Next. No extra info needed. Second is PPPoE. Enter username and password provided by your ISP. And the last one is static IP. Enter IP details manually, rare case. Now set your Wi-Fi details, Wi-Fi name, SSID, example, home_Wi-Fi and password. This will be your main network for all devices. Deco will configure automatically. This may take 2 to 3 minutes. Solid green means setup successful. Now setup is complete. Plug second Deco into power. Wait until LED blinks blue. In app tap Add another Deco. Choose location. Bedroom/living room/office. Repeat for all Deco units. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.